Hey, we have a set of Honda S2000. These are AP1 headlights. Customer sent in a used set, really bad condition regarding the lenses, and he just wanted that our tuning upgrade for the projector. So we did tune the factory clear lens on this, give it a bit more color and sharpness, and then obviously we replaced the factory lens covers with some aftermarket ones. And as you can see here, they look brand new now. So this is a common problem for Honda S2000s, kind of an old car at this point. A lot of the headlight lenses are going to be beyond the point of any type of restoration that's worthwhile. So we pretty much just source these aftermarket lenses off aftermarket headlights, and luckily they fit perfectly fine on the OEM housing. So these lights look brand new now. You can purchase this service at our website, VisionAutoworks.com. We do offer this for AP1s and AP2s, whether that's replacement lens, or if you want to add some more cosmetic things such as like halos and demon eyes, lens etching, stuff like that. We can definitely do that. This customer just wanted to keep that OEM look and just freshen everything up. Again, it's VisionAutoworks.com. Thanks.